Hello everyone and welcome back. So in the previous class we have learned about which subject? Can anyone tell me? Maths. Yes, we have learned about maths and we have learned what is more and what is less. है ना? More माने ज़्यादा and less माने clear. And now moving towards our next class. Today we are going to do EVS in this period. Environmental studies. Okay. And in this class, in this subject, we have done about different colors. We have learnt about fruits, vegetables. Then we have also learnt about ourselves. Then school, home. Lot of things we have learnt, isn't it? Today we are going to begin with a new topic. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about keeping clean. So what is clean? Clean का मतलब क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me what is clean? Clean means किसी भी चीज को साफ रखना. Clear? किसी भी चीज को साफ रखना. And keeping clean here is उसको we are going to learn about how to keep ourselves clean today. Is it clear to all? There are a lot of things we do to keep us clean and you all know. अभी जो भी करंट सिचुएशंस चल रही है हमारी सराउंडिंग्स में, we all are aware that corona is going on. This is a type of disease which is affecting us. To protect ourselves from this disease, every time ma'am, elders, जो भी घर में बड़े हैं, your teacher, they all are saying, wash your hands, keep your hands clean, keep washing your hands frequently. Wear clean clothes, wear a mask when you are going outside, avoid crowded areas, isn't it? Why? Because when you are going out, बाहर से जो dirt होती है that affect you, वो आपकी body को stick कर जाती है और उसी से हम बीमार होते हैं. So, अब see, we cannot avoid going out. कभी बहुत urgent होता है, हमें जाना पड़ता है. So, when we come back to our home, what is the first thing that mama papa do? They go and take a shower. है ना? They go and take a bath, they take a shower, and how and what all things help us to keep ourselves clean is what we are going to study today. Clear? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसको हम यूज करते हैं, जिनको यूज करने से हम अपने आप को क्लीन रख सकते हैं, अपनी बॉडी को हाइजीनिक रख सकते हैं, और हम अपने आप को जितना क्लीन रखेंगे, जितना हाइजीनिक रखेंगे, उतना ही हम सारी जो इलनेस है, जो बीमारियां हैं, जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, उनसे दूर रह सकते हैं. So today we are going to learn about some or few such things that help us to keep ourselves clean, to keep ourselves groomed. Clear? So let us see what all those things are. You all have learnt about things we see in our bathroom. So what is a bathroom? Can anyone tell me? What is a bathroom? It is a room where we go and take a shower. So we have learnt about different things that are kept there, like bucket, mug, we have towel, we have loofahs, we have soap, oil, shampoo, comb, lot of things we have there. So these things help us to keep ourselves clean. So keeping clean is the topic, and these are the things that help us to keep ourselves clean. How is what we are going to study today. Today we are going to see, I have drawn some pictures here. They are pictures of different products that we can see or mama keeps in bathroom. So we'll just identify them and we'll also learn their uses and how they help us to keep ourselves clean. Clear? So let's begin with the topic. Let's begin with one thing at a time. So the first is we have a soap. What is this? Soap. So how we pronounce it? Soap. Don't call it sabun. Sabun is Hindi word. You can use it, but when you call it soap, in English we pronounce it as soap. So what is the use of soap? Soap, number one, it is used to wash our hands. Then we use it when we take bath. It comes in different, one we have in this cake form, एक बार आती है. Then we have it in liquid form also. So one thing is soap. Soap is shower, when we take a bath, or whenever we are washing hands, we need soap. Why we use soap? Because when we rub this soap on our hand, all the germs, they क्या होता है? We kill them. तो सोप के अंदर जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, जो उसके अंदर सोपी मटेरियल होता है, that kill all the germs. वो सारे germs को मार देता है. Okay, once we have applied the soap, and see, I'll just show you a liquid soap. This is the liquid soap we have. इस तरह का होता है. This is Dettol, a liquid soap, and this is the soap which comes in a cake form or in a bar form, you can say. So when we rub our hands, क्या होता है? वो एक बहुत फॉर्म क्रिएट हो जाता है, झाग बन जाता है, and after that what we do, we first wash it properly and then we rinse it with water. वाटर से क्या करते हैं हम? वो जितना भी सोपी कंटेंट होता है उसको हम रेजन आउट कर देते हैं. And after reasoning out, what we use? We use a towel. What we use, guys? We use a towel. Why? To wipe our hands. गीले होते हैं ना हमारे हाथ, उनको पैड ड्राई करने के लिए, उनको वाइप अप करने के लिए what we use a towel. So this is all about using a soap. Now, so only body is not one part. We have hair. So how we clean our hair? To clean our hair, we use shampoo. So you all are using different type of shampoos. They come in different fragrance. They are having different you can say contents also. So whichever suits us, mama purchase that, and this shampoo is used to clean our hair. Whenever we want to wash our hair, we use shampoo. This shampoo is a liquid soap. Clear? And what we do, you all know how we use it. Again, we are applying it on the hand, we are rubbing it, then we are using it on our hair. After raising it properly, rubbing it properly in the hair, we resin it. How we resin it? Again with water. So we are not using this, either we use mug or bucket, or you are having showers in your washrooms, in your bathroom, so we use shower for that. Again, after that, what we use? Towel to wipe them up. Clear? Okay. So after washing the hair, what we do the next? We comb our hair. So you all are using comb. Some of you, your mothers are also helping you out to comb your hair. So basically comb, why we use comb? To dress our hair. अपने hair को properly dress up करने के लिए we use a comb. Clear? Next we have is, yes, a very important thing, a toothbrush and a toothpaste. So are you all aware how we use this toothbrush and toothpaste? कैसे यूज करते हैं इसको, कहाँ यूज करते हैं इसको, और ये क्या करता है? So toothpaste, we apply it on the toothbrush. So you all are having your own toothbrush या सबका सेम होता है? First tell me that. Each and every member have their own toothbrush, isn't it? सबके अपने अपने toothbrush होते हैं. We never use each others. कभी किसी और का toothbrush नहीं use करना है. Just remember that. Never use any other person's toothbrush. सबके माउथ में अलग अलग होती है ना, so we cannot use each others. Clear? तो आपका अपना personal toothbrush होना चाहिए. So you all are having one with you. What is the routine you follow in the morning? You first go and apply the toothpaste. आप पहले toothpaste apply करते हैं. Then you rub it properly on your teeth. आप अपने teeth को इसको properly rub करते हैं. And what happened? Again एक तरह का झाग फॉर्म हो जाता है, एक तरह का what do you call leather फॉर्म हो जाता है. And that when you are doing it, माउथ जब पूरा फिल हो जाता है, we spit it out. हम उसको बाहर थ्रो करते हैं. So what we spit out is something which is full of germs. जैसे हमारे हैंड पे जो सोप लगी होती है, वो सारे germs को किल करती है. Same ये जो टूथपेस्ट होता है, this is killing all the cavity, all the germs in your mouth, and the one which you are spitting out, जो आप बाहर spit करते हो, that is जो liquid होता है, जो आप spit करते हो, that liquid is having all the germs cavity in it, जो वो kill कर देता है toothpaste. Clear? And after that again we gargle, हम gargle करते हैं and we throw out everything. तो वो भी resin हो जाता है water से. So one thing is water, very important part to keep yourself clean. We are doing hand wash, we are brushing our teeth, we are taking shower, we are cleaning our hair, और when we are wearing clothes वो dirty हो जाते हैं, next day उनको wash करते हैं. Again to wash your clothes we need water. So water is basically a very important ingredient, or you can say the basic necessity. We should not waste water. सबसे बेसिक नेसेसिटी है. अब मेनी टाइम्स इट हैपेंस, आप लोग भी प्रैक्टिस करते होंगे, सो जस्ट ऑब्जर्व कि आप ऐसे कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. इफ यू आर डूइंग इट या घर पे कोई और कर रहा है, जस्ट करेक्ट देम. व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर ब्रश और यू आर वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स, टैप ओपन रह जाता है. आप सोप लगा रहे हो और वाटर क्या हो रहा है, वेस्ट हो रहा है. नेवर डू दैट. आपने हैंड गीला किया, क्लोज द टैप, टैप को बंद करिए, देन अप्लाई द सोप. Again you can open the tap. टैप को फिर से ऑन करिए, wash your hands, rinse in everything, then close the tap. This is how we can save water also. अब देखिए water अगर खत्म हो जाएगा, how we are going to keep ourselves clean? नहीं रख सकते ना. और अपने आप को neat, clean, hygienic रखना बहुत important है. Why? Because like this only we can protect ourselves from all the illness. फीवर है, स्टमक एक है, टूथ एक है, और समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, फीवर आ गया है, कॉफिंग हो रही है, कोल्ड हो गया है. तो ये कब होता है, व्हेन यू आर नॉट कीपिंग योरसेल्फ प्रॉपर्ली क्लीन. क्लियर? अगर आप अपने आप को क्लीन रख रहे हो, हाइजीनिक रख रहे हो, तो ये जो सारे जर्म्स हैं वो जब मर जाएंगे तो हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू अफेक्ट यू, है ना. जब वो सब किल हो जाएंगे दे विल नॉट अफेक्ट यू. जब आप अपने आप को अच्छे से क्लीन नहीं रख पा रहे हो, then only they are affecting your body. वो आपके स्टमक में जाते हैं और आपको बीमार कर देते हैं. One more important thing. अब ये germs हमारे हाथों पे होते हैं, but how they are going to our mouth, in the stomach? वो हमारे मुंह से स्टमक में कैसे चले जाते हैं? Tell me. See, हम शावर लेते हैं, outer body. हम हैंड वॉश करते हैं, outer body. जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो मेडिसिन तो टमी में जाती है. Why? Because those germs are inside. तो ये germs inside जा कैसे रहे हैं? How they are going inside? Can anyone tell me that? They are going with your hands. अब hand से कैसे जा रहे हैं बताइए? Can anyone tell me? So students, you all are eating food. आप डेली खाना खाते हैं. You use your hands for that. चपाती है, you take a bite, you eat that bite, your hands. So that is why we always say wash your hands properly before meal. बोलते हैं ना आपको, after meal also, ताकि जो भी आपके spices हैं वो clean हो जाए. One most important thing is using a nail cutter. So for what we use this nail cutter? Can anyone tell me for what we are using this nail cutter? This nail cutter is used to trim your nails. So you all are having nails. We have them on our fingers, on the toes, isn't it? We have nails on fingers and on toes. So is it that you all are trimming them timely? If not, please follow this habit. On every Sunday, you can just opt for one day, like you can take a Sunday. Sunday is a day when you can ask your mama or papa or any elder, please trim my nails. Check कि आपके nails अगर big हैं, so get them trimmed. क्योंकि क्या होता है जब आपके nails big होते हैं तो उनमें ना सारा dirt फंस जाता है, उसके अंदर वो fill हो जाता है. And when you are eating food, that germ is going inside you with that food. और आपको पता भी नहीं चलता. So trimming the nails is really very important. और जब आपके nails trim होंगे, clean होंगे, no germs will be there, no dirt will be there. They will go. वो कोई भी germ, कोई भी कहते हैं जो germs होते हैं, they won't be able to enter you. आपके mouth से वो अंदर जा ही नहीं पाएंगे. Hand wash करिए. Some of you say कि मैम I wash my hands, फिर भी बीमार हो जाते हैं because आप अपने nails timely trim नहीं करते. So when you will trim your nails, वो जो dirt होता है वो जमा ही नहीं होगा because your nails are trimmed, so you will never fall sick. Is that clear to all? So how you can keep yourself clean using different things? So we use soap, shampoo, toothpaste, then we trim our nails, then keep your hair combed properly. So when you comb your hair na, hair हेयर कॉम्ब करने से क्या होता है, आपके हेयर्स के अंदर जो भी डर्ट होता है वो कोम से बाहर आ जाता है. So they always look groomed. आप groomed लगते हो, smart feel आती है कि yes, see what a smart child is coming, and all the kids studying in SG Adarsh Public School, are they smart? They are really very smart, isn't it? So when you come to school properly dressed up in your absolutely well groomed, properly dressed up in your uniform, spick and span, जब आप स्कूल आते हो सब लोग बोलते हैं see wow, look at them, the students of SG Adarsh Public School, they are going so smartly. So you should always dress up smartly. Clear? Is that clear to everyone? So things that help us to keep clean is something we you can say we use them every day. These are those things which we use every day. Every day you are taking a shower, every day you are brushing your teeth, every day you comb your hair, isn't it? So when you take a shower, towel is used, soap is used, we need water. When we are brushing our hair, we need a comb to brush our hair also. We need toothbrush to clean our teeth. Then nail cutter, as I told you, we don't use it regularly, but yes, we should trim our nails regularly. So it's all up to you. Just keep checking your nails. जब भी आपको वो लगते हैं कि वो बड़े हो गए हैं, उनमें dirt है, ask your parents कि please trim my nails. Is that clear? So shampoo is also we are using every day when we are taking shower. We clean our hair using a shampoo. Is that clear? How and why it is and how to keep ourselves clean and why it is important to keep ourselves clean. Is this topic clear to all? Okay. So now moving towards today's book work. So my dear students, work to be done on book page number 8. I'll just write here. Book page number 8. Clear? So when you will open this book, when you will open your EVS book, so this is your Environmental Studies book 1. So when you are going to open this book on page number 8, you will find the topic keeping clean. Clear? There what you have to do, you have to write today's date and classwork, and there is some things that you are using, all these pictures which I have drawn, where you are using them. For example, we have toothbrush and toothpaste, so where we use it? On teeth. So you have to match those pictures according to the products you use. Clear? आपको उस body part को और product को match करना है. This is what your today's work is. Clear all? And one more work which I would like to assign is follow all the hygienic habits every day. Clear? I don't want to listen कि मैम ये ब्रश नहीं करता, मैम ये डेली शावर नहीं लेता, मैम ये मेरे कहने से गंदे क्लोथ्स चेंज नहीं करता. No. You should keep yourself clean, smart. Is that clear to all? This is all about today's EVS class. I hope you have understood the importance of keeping yourself clean. Isn't it? So now all of you promise me that you will follow all the hygienic habits and you will listen to your parents and you will keep yourself clean. Bye all. Take care.